Oh, I got a big package in the mail. I'd like to see what it is. What? Look at that. What a beauty. Oh. What's that? This just came from Amazon. This is a 5-gallon metal jerry can that I bought. Link will be in the show description. And it is dented already. From the factory. From shipping. I don't know. Would it be functional? Yeah, probably. Should I return it? I don't know. Because it is banged up. It is a steel can. It wasn't packaged very good. It was just in a piece of paper, or it was in a cardboard box wrapped in this. So I guess we could try it. It does have some instructions. Jerry can instruction manual. Usage: gasoline or diesel. Jerry can composition. Jerry can body lid. Built-in oil-resistant rubber washer. Usage steps: pull out, plug, and open the oil barrel lid. Fill jerry can with oil according to its capacity. Close oil barrel lid and insert the latch. Oil usage steps: pull out the plug and open the oil barrel kit. Install the oil tubing. Lift the jerry can to refuel. Warning: do not use water to clean, otherwise oxidation and rust may occur. It is normal for the oil barrel to have small amount of impurities during the production process, which can be cleaned with oil. Do not repeatedly fill the jerry can with different oils. Only use one type of oil. Gasoline volatilizes due to changes in temperature, which can easily bulge during heat and cold contraction. Please do not fill the barrel and reserve space to prevent leakage. Do not install hazardous chemicals. Do not knock the jerry can and do not hold the jerry can near the fire. Pretty sure this was made in China. But let's see. There it is. Duh. That was dumb. All right. So she opens like that. This should go on like this. It's been a while. And then you got a spout for your jerry can. Now we'll see how well this works. We'll do a smell test on it when I fill it up with gasoline. And we'll do a pour test on it. The good thing about this over the Midwest can is that if you look in here, there isn't that stupid plastic thing that keeps you from using a transfer pump. So I could actually, no, the hole's too small to slide the transfer pump in. I can already tell by looking at it, just because it's got that tube right there in the middle. Ain't gonna happen. So you are gonna have to manually pour this. But the good thing is you can just manually pour it like this, or you can put the nozzle on it, whatever. It does feel light, very thin. Obviously it's been dinged up. It doesn't feel as sturdy as the Midwest fuel can. but it would work. I'd rather just get a red Midwest fuel can, paint it green. Now, I do want to see, because it does have a better locking and sealing mechanism, I do want to see how that works and whether or not it's going to stink. I don't think it is. I would like to see this steel a little bit thicker. But all in all, it seems like it's going to work. We will find out if it does work. And, you know, I'll try to use this to fill my car up and see how well that works. And see if it's something I could take with me traveling, just to have extra gas on hand. With that, I think that's pretty much it for this. Like I said, dings, dents. I don't know how well the paint's going to hold up. This is just a part one. I will put a link to this one. It was on Amazon in the description. I don't know if I'm going to recommend this yet or not. You can try it if you want. I would not buy this until I post more videos on it. The welds kind of look shoddy too. They don't look the greatest. And, you know, I'll do a weight comparison of both cans empty as well. That'll pretty much tell us how much steel each one has. But I guarantee the Midwest can is better. The Midwest can actually feels sturdy. This does not feel sturdy at all. And it just, maybe not. We'll see. It's a gas can. It does got a few dents in it. It would probably get dents in it anyways. I'd probably end up having to repaint it sooner or later. I don't know if that's even fuel resistant paint. I think I paid $49 on Amazon for this one, plus $9.99 shipping. The Midwest can on Amazon I think runs about $84, but the Midwest can I got, the Midwest metal can I got was $49 at Menards, and that was in Shepherdsville. So there's that. Also, what place is that? Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight carries the red Midwest cans as well. So I don't know about this one yet. We'll see. That's all I got for now. Y'all have a good one. So I am at a loss on this. Coming back to think of it. Did find some more dents. Not just this. I didn't notice this one before. You see it in the light. Obviously, this side don't have that. It's been pretty beat up. It's not even stable on the bottom where the ridges are. So and there's the bottom of it, and it turns out the bottom is beat up as well. I don't want to put a link on this one yet. There will be no link until I return this, and I will see how the return process is for this company. It came off Amazon, and we're gonna return it, get another one, see how it is, see if it's beat up. You know, I don't want to pay $50. I don't want anybody to pay $50 for something that's had the shit beat out of it. Makes no sense. So yeah, in a pinch, would I use it if I had to use it right now to hold fuel? Probably. But it doesn't have fuel in it right now. Look, another dent. More dents. It doesn't have fuel in it right now, so I can return it. If I put fuel in it, my girlfriend brought up a pretty good point. If I put fuel in it, I'm obviously not going to be able to return it. So we're going to return this one. Right now, this one's going to sit. If I had to review it from 1 to 10, it's going to sit at about a 2 out of 10 for this one until I get a return, and we'll see. And then these videos will be posted on the Amazon review for these as well. And that's all I got.